So welcome to Maths with Ish. Let's not waste time. Let's see how to solve this problem. Now we are asked to graph this inequality. The first thing to do is to put the inequalities in their boundary form. So this, I can write it as 2x plus 5y equal to 20. I've changed this to equality sign. So I say when x is equal to 0. If x is equal to 0, what happens to this? It means that your y will be equal to what? 4. And when y is equal to 0, if y is equal to 0 here, x will become what? X equals to 10. So these are the intercepts now. So when y is equal to 4, that's this point. When x equals to 10, that's this point. I'm going to join these 2 points now with a straight line, and my straight line is going to be a solid line. So remember, because of this symbol here, I'm using a solid line. Next, I write the boundary line for this, and then I know that when x is equal to 0, y equal to 0. When this s is equal to when y is equal to 0, when y equals to 0, this x will also be equal to 0. So my intercept for this inequality is that s is 0, y is 0, and that is this origin here, which means that the line will pass through this origin. Now, how will the line pass? Will the line go like this, or the line will go like this? That's what we don't know yet, but this coefficient of x here will tell us. The coefficient of x here says that x is 3, which means that the slope is positive, it's going to pass through this way. So let's get the slope. So I know that 3 is the same as 2 over 1, which is the same as 6 over 2. So let me use 2 steps for my x and then 6 steps for my y. And that's this point. So which means that my line will pass through this point. So what's here? Greater than, I'm going to use a broken line to pass to that point. So that is that. I'm done with that. So next, I get this. My x is greater than or equal to minus 2. So my boundary line is minus 2. So where x is equal to minus 2, I come here. Here is going to be a solid line. So I'm going to draw a solid line to pass to that point. Okay. So this is my x equal to minus 2. Let me put it this way. X equals to minus 2. And this is for my 2x plus 5y equals to 20. And this is for my y equal to 3x. Now let's get the shaded portions now. Let's get them. Okay, so let's start with this first one. This first one, when x is 0, y is 0, what will happen? We are going to have 0 is less than 20. And this is a solid statement. 0 is less than 20 is a valid statement rather. So which means that every region here will be accepted. Towards this origin will be accepted. So I'm going to reject everything here. Maybe I can, okay, let me see. Use this. So this is my accepted region for this. Next, let's come to this. When x is 0, y is 0, we're going to be having 0 is equal to 0. This is also a valid statement. So if it is valid, the point, remember this is greater than, so this point will be accepted. We're going to reject this other part. So I reject this other part. And then our last one says it's greater than also minus 2, which is when x is greater than, when it's greater than, we are going to accept this part here and reject this part here. Okay, we are rejecting this part. So if you watch closely, you can see the set of solution of this inequality. If you watch closely, you can see the set of solution to this inequality. And that is all these unshaded parts. And the unshaded part is just this region here. So everything here. Yeah, so if you watch closely, this entire region that is not shaded, this is the set of the solution to these inequalities. So thank you for watching. I hope you've gained value. Bye.